Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session we will see how can we present KPIs in a Tableau dashboard. KPIs basically stands for Key Performance Indicators, which are used to evaluate the performance of an organization. Let me show you an example of a KPI. Here I have two KPI cards, one for sales and another one for profit. I have used the sample superstore dataset, which had data from 2014 till 2017. In this view, I have tried to compare sales and profit between the latest year, that is 2017, present in the dataset, with the previous year, that is 2016. Here I have a trend line that shows sales done in different months in the year 2017. This 308k dollars is the total sales that was done in the year 2017, and under it I have shown what was the change in percentage of sales in 2017 as compared to the previous year, that is 2016, and similarly for the profit KPI card. Here you will observe that if the sales in 2017 was greater than the year 2016, then we are getting an up arrow and the percentage displayed in green, which is good. And along with that, the trend line is also displayed in green. And if the profit in 2017 was less than the year 2016, so we are getting a down arrow and the percentage change is shown in red color, and also the trend line is displayed in red color. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create these types of good looking KPI cards. Now let's jump to Tableau. I am using the sample superstore dataset. Let us first see how many years of data we have in our dataset. I will drag order date into column shelf. So here you will observe that we have data starting from 2014 till 2017. First of all, we have to create a trend line to show sales done in the latest year, that is 2017. So first of all, let's change year to continuous month. Now drag sales to row shelf. So here we have a line chart that shows sales starting from January 2014 till December 2017. But we want to see sales only for the latest year, that is 2017. So for that, let's create a calculated field. Go to the drop down, select create calculated field. Let's name it latest year and write down the formula year of order date equal to max year order date. Here we are getting an error, cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate arguments. So to solve this, make max field a fixed calculation by enclosing within curly braces. Now the calculation is valid. This will basically act as a filter for the line chart and give us only those rows where the year of order date is equal to the max year of order date, that is 2017. Click on OK. Now drag this true false field that we have created into filters, and from here select true because we want only those rows where the year of order date is equal to the max year of order date, that is 2017. Click on OK. Now trend line shows sales starting from January 2017 till December of 2017. Let's hide the sales axis by right clicking on axis and uncheck show header. Let's also remove this title from the axis, and we don't need to see all these months. Let's also edit the tick marks. Right click on axis, click on edit axis, remove this title. Now go to tick mark. From here select fixed, and we want the axis to start from January of 2017. So here we will write January 2017. Change the unit to month, and let's increase the month interval to 4 to show month name at an interval of 4. Now close this. Here you will see that we have a clean looking trend line. The title is not visible, and also the month are visible at an interval of 4 starting from January. Let's turn on the labels by clicking on show mark label button. Now to get a clean trend line, let's show the labels only for the starting month and the end month. Click on label. From here let's select min max. Here you will observe that we are getting the labels only for the minimum sales and the maximum sales, but we want to see the sales for the January month and the December month. So to solve this problem, again click on label. From here select month of order date. Now we are getting the month label on the trend line. Now just drag sales to the labels, drag sales to the label. So now you can see that we are getting sales label for the January month and the December month. Let's remove these grid lines that are visible on the line chart. Right click, click on format. From here select lines. From here remove the axis sticks. Click on none for axis rulers. Then go to rows. Click on none. So still the zero lines are visible. Let's remove this. Select none. So now all the grid lines are removed. Lastly, we can edit the month name to show only the initials of the month. So right click, click on format. Under axis, select dates. Now from here we will first select uh, March 2001. Then go to custom. From here we can select how we want the months to be displayed. Now remove one M from here. Here you will see that we are getting the initials of the month. If you don't want to see the years as well, then remove these 4 Ys and also the comma. Now we have a clean trend line that is giving us sales done in different months in the year 2017. Let's also change the color of the trend line to black. Go to color and select black. Now we need to add the KPIs in the title like shown here. So this will basically give us information that what was the sales done in the year 2017, then what was the percentage change of sales in 2017 as compared to the previous year. So let's go back to our sheet. So I want to get the total sales for the latest year, that is 2017. So first we will create a calculated field. Close this format. Go to the drop down. Click on create calculated field. Let's name it latest year sales. We want the sales for only 2017, so we will create a fixed calculation. Write on fixed colon sum if year of order date is equal to the max year of order date. Close this within curly braces. If year of order date is equal to the max year of order date, then give us sales and close the curly braces. We have already created a latest year calculated field where we have given the same calculation where we were comparing the year of order date with the max year of order date. So we can also use that field directly here. So this calculated field will basically give us all the rows where the year of order date will be equal to the max year of order date, that is 2017. Now click on OK. Let me create a new sheet to see the results of this new calculated field that we have created. Create a new sheet, drag order date to rows, also drag sales to the text. Let's drag this latest year sales field. So here you will observe that the sales in 2017 is 308k and the latest year sales is also giving us 308k for all the years because we have created a fixed calculated field. So this calculated field looks good. Go back to sheet 1. Now we also need to calculate the percentage change in sales in 2017 as compared to the previous year, that is 2016. Let's duplicate this last year sales. Click on drop down, select duplicate. Then let's edit this calculation. Name it previous year sales. The calculated field will be similar to the one we created for latest year, except here we will write -1 because we want the sales of previous year. Click on OK. Now let's check this previous year sales field also. Go back to sheet 2. Drag this previous year sales also in measure values. Let me arrange these fields. Let's keep sales at the top. Now you will observe that the previous year sales were 408k and the previous year calculated field is giving us 408k for all the years because we have created a fixed calculated field. So both the latest year sales and previous year calculated fields are created. Next, let's calculate the percentage change of sales in 2017 as compared to 2016. So create one more calculated field. Click on the drop down, create calculated field. Let's name it percentage change sales. So percentage change sales will be basically latest year sales minus the previous year sales and close this within parentheses, and we will divide this by previous year sales to see the percentage change in sales in 2017 as compared to the previous year 2016. Click on OK. Let's drag this percentage change sales field also in measure values. Let me change the format of this percentage change sales to percentage. Right click, click on format, then under number select percentage. Let me remove this order date and also let me remove the sales from measure values. So here you will observe that the latest year sales are 308k and the previous year sales were 408k, that is less than the latest year 2017. So the percentage change in sales is negative. Now go back to the original sheet 1. To add the total sales and the percentage change in the title, we will first drag both the fields in the details. Select percentage change sales and the latest year sales and drag both the fields to details. Now double click on sheet 1. Here let's center a line first. So this is the KPI card for sales. Let's write down sales, then press enter. We want to show the total sales, that is latest year sales. Change the font style to Tableau bold and increase the font size to 24. Next, we will add the percentage change. Let's change the font style to Tableau light. Change the size to 14. This looks good. Click on OK. Now let's change the display format of sales field to show the sales in dollars, and also let's change the display format of percentage change field to display in percentage. Go to last year sales, click on the drop down, select default properties, number format, and here select currency custom. We don't want to show any decimal places. Display units as dollars. Click on OK. So the display format of total sales has changed. Now let's change the display format of percentage change field. Click on the drop down, select default properties, go to the number format, and from here select percentage, and we want to show two decimal places. Click on OK. So here you will see that we are getting what was the total sales done in the year 2017, and this is the percentage change in sales in 2017 as compared to the year 2016. We can also add the year in the title to show which year sales is shown by the trend line. So create a calculated field which will give us the latest year. Select create calculated field. Let's name it latest year number, and just write down here max year of order date and click on OK. Now drag this field also to details. Edit the title. Let's write down here sales in and insert the latest year field. Click on OK. So let's remove the 1000 separator from the year field. Click on the drop down, select default properties, number format, go to number custom and uncheck include 1000 separator, and also remove the decimal places. Click on OK. Now we can easily figure out that the view shows us sales for the year 2017. Now we can also add up and down arrow before the percentage change. So basically up arrow will tell us that the percentage change is positive, and the down arrow will tell us that the percentage change is negative. For that we will go to Google. Let me first open Edge. Here search for alt code and click on any link. Now from here we will search for the down and up arrow. So here you will see that we have an up arrow and a down arrow. Just click on this symbol and it will be copied. Go back to Tableau. Right click on percentage change sales. Click on format. Make sure pane is selected. Go to numbers. This time we will go to custom. Here paste the up arrow. Then write down 0.00 percentage semicolon. Then we will go and copy paste the down arrow. Just click on this and the down arrow will be copied. Go back to Tableau. Again edit this field. Paste the down arrow. Again write down 0.00 percentage semicolon. So basically here the first part is how we want to display the positive numbers, and after the semicolon the second part is how we want to display the negative numbers, and last part is how we want to display the numbers that are neither positive nor negative. So here we have a trend line that shows sales done in different months in the year 2017. Then we are getting the labels for the January and the December month. Next, in the title, we are getting the total sales that were done in the year 2017, and this value gives us what was the percentage change in sales in 2017 as compared to 2016. Similarly, you can create KPI cards for other metrics like profit. Let's name it sales KPI, and now duplicate this sheet. Let's name it Profit KPI. Similar to sales, we have to create all the fields for profit. So just search for sales and just duplicate these fields. Select all these fields and from the drop down select duplicate. We will just replace sales in all these fields. So let's first go to last year sales. Click on edit. Let's name it last year profit. Here instead of sales we will write down profit. Click on OK. Next we will edit previous year sales. Click on edit. Let's name it previous year profit, and here also instead of sales we will write down profit. Click on OK. Now let's edit this percentage change. Sales field, click on edit. Let's name it percentage change profit. Latest year sales will be latest year profit. Previous year sales will be previous year profit, and previous year sales will be previous year profit. Click on OK. Now search for profit fields and we will replace all these fields. First here we will drag percentage change profit. Next, this is latest year sales, so we will drag latest year profit. Next we have latest year number, so it will remain the same. Next we have sum of sales in text. Let's drag sum of profit, and here also in the row shelf we will drag profit. Hide the profit axis, uncheck show header. Now we will edit the title. This will be profit in 2017. Then here we will remove this field and we will add latest year profit. Change the color to black, and instead of this field we will add percentage change profit. Let's change the color to black. Uncheck bold and click on OK. Here we are getting the information that profit in 2017 was negative $15,000 and the percentage change was negative in 2017 as compared to 2016. Now let us also add up and down arrow in case of percentage change profit field. First let me go to sales KPI and copy paste this format. Right click on percentage change sales, click on format, and from here I will copy this format. Now go back to profit KPI, right click on percentage change format, from numbers go to custom, and here just paste the format that we have copied from the percentage change sales field. Similar to sales KPI, we are also getting down arrow in case of profit KPI. Now let's create a dashboard and add the two KPIs that we have created. First we will track sales KPI. Then we will add profit KPI. Let's click on show dashboard title and let me adjust the size of the dashboard. Go to fixed size. Let's select 1000 pixels width and 400 pixels height. We can add border to the KPIs. Go to layout. Let's add a border similar to profit KPI. Go to border, select this gray border. Let's edit the title. Let me give the title key performance indicators. Center align. Click on bold and click on OK. Let's also give border to the dashboard title. Go to border and let's select light gray. So the KPI cards are ready. We have one KPI card for sales and another one for profit. Now, if you want this type of formatting where we are getting percentage change and the trend line in green when the percentage change is positive, and we are getting the percentage change and the trend line in red color when the percentage change was negative as compared to the previous year. So we will have to create few more calculated fields. Let's go back to the sales KPI worksheet. We will have to create two separate calculated fields. One field when the sales in 2017 is greater than 2016, which means that the performance is good, and we will create a separate field when the sales in 2017 is less than 2016, which means that the performance was not that good. Search for percentage change field. Just duplicate this sales field. Click on the drop down, select duplicate, and now edit this field. Let's name it percentage change sales positive and write down the formula. If latest year sales is greater than the previous year sales, then we want the percentage and enclose this whole within Zn. So here we are asking Tableau to return us the percentage change in sales when the latest year sales is greater than the previous year. Click on OK. Now create another field for negative. Just duplicate this field and edit this field now. Let's name it percentage change sales negative. Here we will just change the sign to less than. So we are telling Tableau to return us the percentage change in sales if the latest year sales is less than previous year sales. So basically we have created two separate calculated fields when the percentage change is negative and the other field where the percentage change is positive. Click on OK. Now just drag these both fields to detail. Now we will edit the title. Instead of percentage change sales, here we will insert the negative and the positive percentage change sales field. We want to see the percentage change in green if the percentage change in sales is positive, and we want to see the percentage change displayed in red if the percentage change is negative. Select the red color and click on OK. Now we will have to change the display format of these fields to add up and down arrow. First we will copy paste the format from percentage change sales field. Just right click on this field, click on format, and from here we will copy display format. Now right click on negative field, click on the format and go to custom and just paste this format and make sure space is there because we want to display 0 with a space. Now change the format of the positive percentage change field, click on format, go to numbers, go to custom and just paste this and make sure that space is there after the second semicolon to display 0 with a space. So we will present the positive numbers with a triangle in terms of percentage with 2 decimal places. Then we will present the negative number with a down arrow in terms of percentage with 2 decimal places, and we want to present 0 with a space. So if the percentage change is negative as compared to the previous year, then this red field will be displayed, and if the percentage change is positive as compared to the previous year, then this green field will be displayed. We can also add versus previous year. Let's change the color to black. Click on OK. So this clearly gives us information that here we are comparing the sales in 2017 with the previous year sales. If suppose the percentage change was positive, that means sales in 2017 would have been greater than 2016. Then we would have seen up arrow and the percentage change displayed in green color. Now to change the color of these lines, we have to create last calculated fields. So close this, create calculated field. Let's name it sales line and here write down the formula latest year sales greater than previous year. So here basically we have created a true false calculated field which is comparing the latest year sales with the previous year. If this field is true, then we want to see the line in green color, and if this calculation is false, then we want to see the line in red color. So click on OK. Now search for the sales line field, drag this to color. Here we are getting false because the sales in 2017 is less than the sales in 2016. Let's edit the color of false to red. Double click on the blue color and select red color. Click on OK. We are not getting true here. We have changed the color of false to red. Now to give green color to true, we will have to edit this line field. Click on edit and just change the sign. Now this calculation will give us true because the previous sales is greater than the latest year sales, and we have just changed the sign because we want to give green color to the true. Click on OK. Now here we are getting true. Double click and give green color to true. Click on OK. Now last time edit this field again to change the sign because we have to check the latest year sales if they are greater than previous year or not. Click on OK. So even if the data updates and then suppose the sales in latest year comes to be greater than the previous year, then we will get a green color line. We won't have to edit the dashboard again. Now let's go to the dashboard that we have created. We can see that we are getting percentage change and the down arrow both displayed in red color, and even the trend line is displayed in red color. Similarly, you can repeat this step for the profit KPI as well. And let me show the final dashboard. So this is how the final dashboard will look like. Just one thing to add, here we are getting the positive percentage change in sales as compared to the previous year, and the dashboard that we created, here we are getting the negative percentage change. So I had edited the dataset that I am using for this exercise to show you how the sales KPI will look if the percentage change in sales is negative. So in this way we can show our KPI cards in Tableau dashboard. I know there were many steps involved to achieve this final dashboard. I suggest you to go through this video again and you will be able to create your final dashboard similar to this one. So this was all that I had to cover in this session. I have added the link of this workbook in the description below. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this session. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.